Hello, it's Roger from Gospel Boat. Now I'm standing on the 9.6-meter Professor, which you can see is a very big boat, and the beam is 3 meters, and we installation with twin Yamaha 250 horsepowers. And you can see on the roof of the boat is all with radar, everything, total package. And you can see also we put a very nice stickers. You can see this actually a gift from one of my customer to his girlfriend to enjoy the life. So now let's jump on the boat to see the details of this nice craft. Pre-installation twin Yamaha 250 horsepower. It's a very big engines, and it's a commercial one, and it's a very strong power for this craft. It can be get about 30-35 knots, and you can see it's a brand new Yamaha. And for Gospel Boat, we can provide the turnkey package for the boat, plus engine, plus Simrad or Lawrence electronics. Then we make the whole turnkey package. This shows how we connection the twin outboard engines, and we use the system with this bar in the middle, so you can, when you control the steering wheel, the twin engine will be automatically together operation, and all the cables through this bulkhead and go to the side of the boat. Now I'm standing on the rear of the boat, and you can see we put twin deck battery box, and all the cables is already ready, and all we use is the marine cable, and all the outlines of the pipes is here, so you can be open easily of this soft patch. This patch can be closed, and we have used this marine switch for the battery. So it's for this turnkey package, you just installation the battery connection, then it's put in the gasoline, then it's ready to go. Then we have this big fish tank, and another selling point for this one is we have the full length of extension roof with the support here, and it's all fully welded. Make sure you have enough sun sheet for the countries like Thailand, Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia. So it's very good productions. Then we have the full deck with EVA thick floor with brown colors. Then we put the toilet room with the sliding windows, and we have all this battery equipment for the toilet as well. Then you jump inside the interior of the cabins. On the both starboard side, we have both the kitchen facilities with a sink and with 2 gas equipment. Then we have both this dometic 90-liter fridge. You can put the water inside, cold beer, quite good. And on the other side, we have adjustable tables, cushion seats, adjustable seat, and on starboard side, captain seat, and the engine controllers, rotor from here, with all the gauges already ready. Yamaha, the gauges, electric winch, and the gauges, the switch panels, the Garmin, and the 6-star steerings. Then on the front is as usual with the sleeping areas with 2 berths. It's good for 2 people sleeping inside, and we have also the skylight on the roof to be easily for the air ventilations, and people can go for sunbathing on the front of the boat. We also installation the shower for the rear deck, so you can after swimming you put the shower and cleaning the deck and the big shower. And so that's all about this boat. Any inquiry, please send me a message on the YouTube, and any questions. Thank you. Bye bye.